Asta trebuie să provocăm niște oameni, să vedem experiență. Dacă vreau să fluier. Deci, dar plăcerea, în primul rând, să avem o zi excepțională. Noi știm să furnizăm experiențe.
So cold, tires grip the snow, a silent tale unfolds with the mountain winds that whisper secrets of the old. I'm a wanderer in the wild, fierce and bold. Every drift and curve, the horizon's cold, so clear, guided by the compass of my restless frontier. I'm a nomad on a journey where the sky meets the unknown, chasing dreams and stories down the trails overgrown, in the solitude of mountains where my heart feels at home. I'm a nomad, never alone. Flags of colors fly, in the winds of time they sway, echoes of adventure, guiding night and day. Tracks in snow remind me